Place your hearing aids in the hearing aid charger bays. Ensure that the receivers are pointed inwards and rest in the receiver bay. When hearing aids are inserted or removed, the LED indicators show the current battery level for 10 seconds. The LED lights on the hearing aids will continue to illuminate throughout the charging process. The LED lights on the hearing aids will remain solid on when the hearing aids are fully charged. Charging completion takes approximately 3 hours for hearing aids with 0% battery. Once removed, hearing aids will start up and are ready to be used.